Hello and welcome to our channel MedEasy. Today we will talk about BPH symptom. BPH is one of the most common seen in elderly. So many patients of BPH is seen in surgery OPD. Today we will see BPH symptom. Which symptom patient may have when they come to hospital. For BPH symptom, you have to remember one mnemonic. This is the one sentence. From this we can remember the symptom of BPH. I have fun. From this, I, H, which is I written in capital letter, has symptoms. Every letter from this has a symptoms. Then let's start the describing these symptoms. I have fun. From I, we have a intermittence. From H, hesitancy. From F, frequency. From F, again fullness of bladder. For U, there is a urgency. N, last N is a nocturia. First, I have also one other symptoms is incontinence. From this you can remember all symptoms very easily. I have fun. I, intermittent incontinence, hesitancy, frequency fullness, urgency and nocturia. Subscribe our channel for this type of mnemonics. Thank you so much for watching.